AI isn't replacing managers by deleting the job title. That would be too obvious. It's doing something a lot quieter. It's taking the job apart. Task assignment, resource allocation, priorities, scheduling, performance tracking, hiring screens, reports, reminders, feedback, workflow coordination. One piece at a time. Those jobs are moving out of a manager's head and into software. If you work in a company, that's important. The first manager you'll see replaced probably won't be your VP. It might be the person that's going to decide what you're going to work on this morning. That's the shift people keep missing. This isn't robots in suits replacing boxes. That's kind of cartoon nonsense. What's actually happening is AI getting shoved into tools teams already use. Project management, linear, HR platforms, CRMs, dashboards, meeting tools, planning tools. So it doesn't feel like a new boss just got here. It feels like the tool got smarter. Then the dashboard stops showing numbers and starts making recommendations. And from the point a system assigns work, predicts delays, flags blockers, drafts feedback, and monitors performance, it's not just helping management, it's doing management. That's the quiet part. Management's always included judgment, even if sometimes it doesn't feel like it. But a lot of management is coordination and administration. Who should take this work? Which project is at risk? Who's overloaded? Which candidate moves forward? Who needs feedback? Which follow-up gets dropped? Which team is blocked by another team? Those are manager questions. And AI systems are getting better. And AI systems are now starting to get built to answer those questions. Not someday. Now. McKinsey projected that generative AI could automate tasks accounting for 60 to 70% of employees' time. Goldman Sachs estimated that 300 million full-time jobs globally could be exposed to automation. Those aren't manager replacement numbers. They're warning about task replacement. And a lot of management is made of tasks. Deloitte and Gartner point in the same direction. Workforce management and process management are becoming AI-mediated. Look at software teams. AI tools can assign tasks, predict sprint completion, spot dependencies, flag roadblocks, suggest team configurations, and rewrite user stories so humans can actually understand them. The important part is the handoff. When a tool decides who gets the task, who looks overloaded, and who's falling behind, and what risk matters next, it's doing project lead work. Now stretch that across any office worker's day. In the morning, the AI project tool can look at the backlog, dependencies, skills, and workload. Then it assigns work. It might suggest pairing you with some other person based on past collaboration data. When your request goes up, AI can review and flag style issues, problems, security problems, architecture concerns, approaches, before a human even shows up. During the day, systems can track code quality, commit frequency, performance, issue resolution time, discussion, participation, and documentation. At the end of the quarter, AI might drive a performance summary from all of that. A human lead can still review it and add some context. So no, the human's not gone yet. But the human isn't the only manager in the loop anymore. And this isn't just engineering. Hiring platforms, HR systems, warehouses, manufacturing lines, and customer service tools are doing the same thing. Routing work, prioritizing cases, drafting reviews, scheduling labor monitoring, monitoring performance, different industries, same pattern. The system doesn't need the title manager to manage. Here's the contradiction. This doesn't make human managers obsolete. It exposes bad ones. If your main value is forwarding status updates, assigning tickets, reminding adults about deadlines, producing reports, and applying simple rules, that's a rough place to be standing right now. AI can eat a lot of that, and it won't need a leadership offside to do it. But good managers aren't magically safe either. AI can expose weak resource allocation, bad risk calls, messy process flow, and all the places where the team has been surviving on vibes and calendar invites. So the human role changes. Vision matters more. Empathy matters more. Ethical judgment matters more. Coaching matters more. Motivation, culture, ambiguous decisions, and awkward human negotiation matter more. The manager becomes less traffic controller and more leader, coach, and escalation point. That could make work better. If AI removes all of the nasty administration and constant oversight, human leaders might spend more time mentoring people and handling problems that need context and care. You know, the parts of management people keep claiming they value, but it can also go sideways really fast. Blindly following AI recommendations can create stupid mistakes, especially when the situation is unusual, messy, or ethical. If a dashboard says someone is disengaged because of communication patterns or working hours, that's a signal. It's not a whole human story. If AI recommends who gets hired, promoted, coached, or flagged, people need to understand the data behind it. They need to audit that data, question it, and override it when it's wrong. For people, the takeaway is kind of simple. Don't just ask whether AI can do your job. Ask how AI will manage your work. Your tasks might be assigned by AI. Your performance summary might be drafted by AI. Your learning path may be recommended by AI. Your workload may be balanced by AI. Your burnout risk might be flagged by AI. Your team setup might be suggested by AI. So the career skill isn't just using AI like it's an assistant. It's learning human AI teaming. That means interpreting AI outputs, challenging recommendations, understanding how workflow systems make decisions, and building systems that are fair, transparent, and useful enough for real teams. It also means new roles can show up around orchestration, governance, ethics, AI-driven project management, and workforce systems. The quiet replacement of managers isn't one big event. It's a slow transfer of management functions into software, and developers who understand that shift won't just survive AI-managed work. They might be the ones designing it.